Welcome to my new channel, Apples Anonymous. If you're addicted to apples, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. I've decided to create this channel to share my knowledge with you. I've been buying and selling Apple equipment for over 25 years and been in the IT industry for over 30 years. I want to concentrate on three main areas on this channel. Repurpose old IT components, whether it be some sort of visual art or something that is functional in some sort of manner. Take a tour around various Apple computers that I have in my collection and describe how they work and possibly how to fix them. Unboxing retro, vintage, old Apple computers and non-Apple computers, parts and peripherals, and then describe the findings in each box. I'm the type of person who would always try and recycle everything I had in my business and would not waste anything. Here's some samples of some repurposed items that I've done in the past. A clock from an LC2. I did eventually sell this. A clock from a PowerBook 100. I still have this in stock somewhere. A clock from a PowerMac G5 side panel. Some iBooks with a vinyl wrap of different colours. Here are some samples. A bin from an old Sony CRT monitor. Recently I started to jot down all the items I can create from the computer equipment that I have available. In the space of a month I created around about 3 pages worth of stuff. For the past 20 years I've been stating to family and friends that I would make various art forms of computer equipment. Now's my time to create. The PowerBook 100 clock and the Sony CRT monitor bin that I had in my shop were always a talking point with my customers. As I had a large collection of Apple computers and parts in storage, I always want to share this collection by having an Apple museum. This required some financial backing to set up such a place and some staff to run the museum. This is as close to some sort of museum. Actually, it was just a setup in my showroom in my shop before one of my biggest sales. Remember those days you had to line up in front of a shop just to get a bargain? Gone are those days. While moving out of my shop in 2009, I'd accumulated so much stuff that I could not store all the items, so I bit the bullet and I dumped a lot of it. So much was dumped around about a 20-foot container and some wheelie bins, plenty of wheelie bins. Whilst most people unbox new computers on YouTube, I'll unbox the many boxes of computers and parts that I have in stock. Here are some samples of boxes that I have. I'll explain the unboxing process. Each box was boxed up with some stuff from various locations whilst moving around different premises between 2009 and 2020. Each box was labelled correctly and have the relevant bits in it, or may have other bits in it, or may have labels of parts or bits, or the location where it was boxed up, or have no label at all. As of 2020, all of these boxes are currently in 5 storage locations. I'll randomly unbox each one, create one video, and label each box accordingly. Some boxes may be newer stuff, and some boxes may be some old retro stuff, Apple and some non-Apple. I'll try and go into detail with the items in the box, which computers they are from, and try to remember why I put it in this box. You get the idea of how much stuff I've got in stock. So I'm basing this channel on 3 main areas: repurpose, display and unboxing. Also, you'll decide on how I shape this channel. Your positive feedback will help me decide on what I show here. Hey, it's my channel and I'll have the final say. I may even set up a Patreon account, depending on how the channel grows. Here are my basic goals. 1 million subscribers, that's my 10-year plan, and that's 5 stars. 100,000 subscribers, that's my 5-year plan, and that's 4 stars. 10,000 subscribers, that's my 2-year plan, and that's 3 stars. 1,000 subscribers, that's my 1-year plan, 2 stars. 100 subscribers, just to get that 100 subscribers will be hard enough, that's 1 star. I may have a quote or tip randomly in a video, and here's my first quote for this intro. Thanks for listening, like, share and subscribe, as they all say. I hope to see you again. Not all videos are shot in the same day, so I may change from this shirt to this shirt to this shirt to this shirt. You get the idea. This is from lockdown stage 4. This is how much hair I got for future Nick. And this rug back here is my bedspread when I was a kid. See ya.